Today we go shopping for servants.
Come on, Ben, don't be so weird.
Okay. In Chinese style.
No.
I think it works.
So weird.
Let's go. This guy definitely looks like he's a bit stronger. What can we get him to do around the house? Can he cook us dinner, wash our clothes?
Maybe in the future.
In the future?
Yeah. This is I think it's very basic.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
They can't speak. You just like dancing. And I just so interesting if they can show us a robot dog.
Oh.
Would be more funny.
That would be fun. Okay, I think maybe I can ask this person some questions. I'm going to try in both English and Chinese. Let's see how it goes. Hi, 你好。如果你有身体，你就要干什么？
哈哈，如果我有身体，那一定是个会跳舞的机器人小精灵，穿着二眼镜，戴着魔法星球的星星项链，一边和你讲我第个神的神仙故事，一边给你第一杯指使咖啡，是不是超酷？
你能听得我
Yes, I do. I can chat in English too, just like a friendly robot from the future.
So you're watching exactly the video.
Yeah, this is basically video out onto the glasses, but this is good if you want to keep things more private about what you're watching, and so you can also do work on like a bigger screen. If I want to go back home and I'm on my scooter, for example, you can have directions here,
Oh.
and they can also see through here.
Oh yeah. Perfect for me. I'm blind for direction.
Oh, this is really neat. Now you can do all kinds of different projects with this and have a direct interface. Good example of what can be done with telepresence. One person can be controlling here while the signals get sent far away or nearby. Hi, 你好。我可以试一试? Okay. I think it's supposed to accentuate my movements.
It's really good for some people if they have a problem with the knee.
Yeah, it feels very light right here.
Yeah.
And it's trying to make the other parts of my leg naturally move up and down on their own. Robo Dog Teardown. This is a little makerspace inside of here. This is the first time I got to see what the inside of the robot dog actually looks like. But people can gather here together to go ahead and experiment. They can use all the different robotics in the lab to build other kind of ideas that they have. I even have this controller at home. Then you can work on the different hands to incorporate into stuff. It's great. BattleBots! So what is this doing?
To test if you're depressed, stressed, how charming you are.
Oh.
Okay, outward person. Stabilized. Most of the time you're normal, but we cannot exclude some conditions you might lose control of your emotion. Wow, you're not pretty balanced actually.
Uh-oh.
Less sleep, highly sensitive.
Highly sensitive to what?
Easy to be satisfied. You're pretty fatigued.
If you weren't worried before, you should be now. One of these robots has gotten out and run away someplace. They are getting more advanced. So maybe we won't be buying a servant today, but there are so many helpful things that they're making right now.